My name is Catherine Peters. I was born here and raised here in Bendigo. I work at Golden City Support Services as a receptionist at the moment, and I'm 30 years old. Well, in year 6 we spend the day learning about puberty and changes in our bodies, but when I went to high school I went to a Catholic college, and they didn't teach us anything about it. And when I went to Bendigo Senior, we only spent 6 hours learning about it. Most of what I know I've learnt by myself. I would advise people to not be shy about such an important topic, about sexuality and respectful relationships, because the more you learn in school, the less likely you are to get hurt when you leave school. I believe that people with disabilities are, well, stereotyped, and people need to understand that even though people have disabilities, they can still learn and do everything that a normal person could. Well, I do think smaller groups are better because you can get more one-on-one time with the student, and put in a couple of fun activities and make it fun to learn at the same time. Just because someone is a little different, don't treat them like they're not worth it. I got that in school and I didn't really like it at all.
I grew up in Melbourne and did just about all my childhood there, and then moved to Bendigo. I've moved around a lot, so I moved to Bendigo nearly 5 years ago and haven't looked back. I learned about sex education from my mum, taught me at a very early age, and we had sex education at school as well. I went to a special school, so we learned it there. They're learning how to speak up. A lot of them were shy or didn't talk very much, so they're learning how to speak up and some people learning how to say things of what's happened in their past, to not judge people. A lot of people with disabilities have got a lot of talent and they're a lot smarter than they're smart in a lot of other ways, and they can teach people with disabilities a lot more to life than what you see. Yeah, the parents should be involved, and then they know what their children are on about, and they can explain to their parents.
Well, my name is Yvette Kane, and I came from Richieproof, a small country town, and I moved here in '97. I like meeting new people and going away. Well, I went some of it from Mum and my sister Simone, and then I went a bit more when I started being a peer educator. I went a lot more because I'm in a relationship, and I found the program really good for me because it gave me more confidence that I could talk to my boyfriend about stuff. Well, a peer educator is we talk to groups about relationships and to be safe in the relationship, to be respected in the relationship, and where to go for help when you need help, to teach them respect and be honest, open, and keep learning about relationships, doing lessons about the relationships in smaller groups. People with disabilities should keep speaking up, and they should not give up.